Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology. If you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your lifestyle, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're counting down the top 9 coolest smart gadgets that are absolutely worth buying. All available on Amazon. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. 9. 4K Tricolor Laser TV Projector. The 4K Tricolor Laser TV Projector is a revolutionary advancement in home entertainment technology, bringing a cinematic experience to your living room. Unlike traditional projectors, this device employs advanced laser technology and tricolor processing to deliver stunningly vibrant colors, exceptional brightness, and unparalleled clarity. With its 4K resolution, it provides 4 times the detail of Full HD, ensuring that every scene is rendered with remarkable sharpness and depth. The tricolor laser system enhances color accuracy and saturation, resulting in a more lifelike and immersive viewing experience. This projector also boasts an ultra-short throw design, allowing it to be placed close to the screen or wall while still projecting a large, high-quality image. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with limited space. Additionally, the laser light source offers long-lasting performance and consistent brightness, eliminating the need for frequent bulb replacements. 8. Novotropes. Novotropes represent a groundbreaking advancement in virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies, merging cutting-edge hardware with sophisticated software to create highly immersive experiences. These devices, often employed in advanced VR headsets and AR systems, leverage innovative optics and sensors to deliver incredibly lifelike and responsive virtual environments. At the heart of Novotrope's technology is its ability to project and manipulate digital images with exceptional clarity and precision. This is achieved through advanced display systems and real-time rendering algorithms, which enhance depth perception and motion accuracy. As a result, users experience a more seamless and engaging interaction with virtual worlds, whether for gaming, simulation training, or interactive storytelling. 7. Creality CR Scan Lizard. The Creality CR Scan Lizard is a state-of-the-art 3D scanner designed to make high-precision 3D scanning accessible and straightforward. Equipped with advanced scanning technology, the CR Scan Lizard offers a combination of ease of use and exceptional detail capture, ideal for a variety of applications from professional prototyping to personal creative projects. Featuring a sleek, compact design, the CR Scan Lizard utilizes a combination of structured light and high-resolution cameras to accurately capture intricate details and textures of physical objects. Its advanced algorithms ensure that the scans are both accurate and detailed, producing high-resolution 3D models suitable for various uses, including 3D printing, digital archiving, and virtual reality applications. 6. W8 Dual Spray Window Cleaning Robot. The W8 Dual Spray Window Cleaning Robot is an innovative solution designed to simplify and streamline the often tedious task of window cleaning. This advanced robot integrates dual spray technology to ensure a thorough and efficient cleaning process, making it ideal for both residential and commercial use. Equipped with 2 independent spray systems, the W8 Dual Spray Robot delivers a powerful and even distribution of cleaning solution across the Windows surface. This dual spray mechanism not only enhances cleaning effectiveness, but also minimizes streaking and residue. The robot's integrated squeegee system works in tandem with the sprays. 5. Barracuda Pro. The Barracuda Pro is a premium gaming headset designed to elevate the audio experience for gamers and audio enthusiasts alike. Known for its exceptional sound quality, the Barracuda Pro integrates advanced audio technologies to deliver a truly immersive experience. Featuring high-fidelity drivers, the Barracuda Pro provides crystal-clear sound across a wide frequency range, from deep bass to crisp highs, ensuring that every detail in your games, music, or movies is heard with remarkable clarity. The headset often includes spatial audio support, enhancing the sense of directionality and depth in sound, which is crucial for competitive gaming and a more immersive media experience. Comfort is a key focus of the Barracuda Pro, with an ergonomic design that includes plush ear cushions and an adjustable headband, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. 4. Polaroid Go. The Polaroid Go is a compact and innovative instant camera that brings a modern twist to the classic charm of instant photography. Designed for those who appreciate the nostalgic appeal of instant prints, the Polaroid Go combines portability with ease of use, making it perfect for capturing and sharing spontaneous moments. One of the standout features of the Polaroid Go is its pocket-sized design, which makes it incredibly easy to carry and handle. Despite its small size, the camera produces high-quality, square-format instant photos with a distinctive white border that adds to the retro feel. The Go utilizes Polaroid's new, smaller format film, specifically designed for this model, offering a fun and unique take on instant photography. 3. EasyView ZC6W. The EasyView ZC6W is a sophisticated and feature-rich indoor security camera designed to enhance home security and provide peace of mind. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, the Z6W offers high-definition video surveillance and smart monitoring capabilities. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, the Z6W captures crisp and clear video footage, allowing you to monitor your home with detailed visuals. Its 360-degree panoramic view, achieved through motorized pan and tilt functionality, ensures comprehensive coverage of the room. 2. Basis Blade 2. The Basis Blade 2 is a sleek and versatile portable power bank designed to meet the demanding charging needs of modern devices. Known for its high capacity and compact design, the Blade 2 provides an efficient and reliable solution for keeping your gadgets powered up on the go. One of the key features of the Basis Blade 2 is its substantial battery capacity, which ensures that you can recharge your devices multiple times before needing to recharge the power bank itself. The Blade 2 typically supports fast charging technology, allowing it to quickly deliver power to your smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. This is especially useful for users who need to top up their devices quickly in busy or travel-heavy scenarios. 1. Nanoleaf Lines. Nanoleaf Lines is a cutting-edge smart lighting system that redefines how you illuminate and personalize your living space. Designed to combine functionality with aesthetics, Nanoleaf Lines offers a unique way to enhance the ambience of any room through customizable, modular light panels. Each Nanoleaf Lines panel is a sleek, linear LED light that can be arranged in various configurations to suit your style and preferences. The modular design allows users to connect multiple panels to create intricate patterns and designs on their walls or ceilings. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest smart gadgets of 2024. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.